Hi, my name's Andy, and welcome to 5 Minutes with Fantech. In this episode, Mark Wald will be coming to my house to walk me through the maintenance required for my hero, Fresh Air Appliance. Alright, Mark, can you walk me through some of the maintenance for this?
Yeah, glad to, Andy. This unit's going to get installed by your contractor in your mechanical room, probably right near your furnace and your other HVAC equipment, your air handler, your air conditioning system. It's going to be in that same area, probably hanging from the ceiling, or it might be attached with a bracket onto the wall. We have mechanical latches that allow you to then open a panel, and it's either going to lift off or it's going to have a hinge where it just swings out of the way. This one lifts off the unit. Let me just set it to the side. The core is where some of the magic occurs, okay? So the air that's in your home, which is stale, we want to exhaust some of that out to make room for fresh, healthier air to come in. Unfortunately, most times of the year, that fresh outdoor air isn't exactly comfortable. So what we're going to do is take some of the desirable, comfortable properties of the air we're going to get rid of, transfer those over to the fresh incoming air so that it's as efficient an operation as possible. Now, for all that to work really, really well, we need to kind of keep all this stuff clean. The first thing to do, about every 3 months or so, we want to, grab these filters and take a look at them. Now, these are metal and they're washable, so they don't need to be replaced unless they get broken or damaged, but you can simply vacuum them off if you see some dust on there. You can even put them in the sink and run some water, just clean water through them and get the dust off of these things. You'll find that every unit has 2 of these filters, one for each air stream that goes through the core. About every 6 months, you're going to want to remove the core itself. The core is going to have some kind of a handle to allow you to pull it out of the unit. It should slide out pretty easily. Regardless of what the material is, the procedure for cleaning that is the same for all of them. And that procedure is simply to, if you see some dust right here on the surface, you can vacuum that off, but the dust that gets on the inside, you simply get that out by submerging this in clean water. So you can fill a tub with water and then just simply submerge this for about 3 hours in that tub. And after 3 hours, you just simply remove it, and the clean water should dissolve most of that dust out of there, and then you can rinse it out further if you want, and that's that.
Does it need to be completely dry before we put it back in the unit?
Good question. It does not. We do get asked that from time to time. This core is designed to get wet. It actually will get wet during normal operation at certain times of the year, and so when that occurs, this unit is designed to handle that liquid water when it does occur. So it's okay if it's wet and you put it back in.
And is this something that I need to take notice of?
Sure is. I'm glad you noticed. This is one additional filter. Now, not all of our different models have this. The Hero series in particular has this final filter, we call it. And this filter is one more air cleaning measure that this unit will have for that fresh air that comes from the outside. So as the fresh air comes in, we're running through the core to recover energy, but then we want to clean any additional dust that might be in that air with this final filter. So that air comes through this final filter before it's delivered to your home. You just want to pull that out and inspect it, and over time you'll see some dust get accumulated on here, and this will become gray. And once this gets considerably dirty, you simply dispose this. This is not washable. You throw it away and you just get a replacement filter and you can put it right back in. It does have an arrow here to show you which way, and the air is flowing this way, so you want that arrow up. You simply put that in.
I don't think I'll have any trouble now that Mark walked me through all of the maintenance required for my Fresh Air Appliance. Breathe easy, and I'll see you next time.